Okay, so in this question we're given the mileage on 7 cars in thousands and the depth of tread in millimetres, and they're recorded in this table. Draw a scatter graph. Okay, so we're going to be plotting these points. So mileage on the bottom axis, so 3, 9.4. So there's 3. And then we want to find out where 9.4 would be on this axis. Now we're going to be careful. There's 5 squares between 9 and 10, so each one of those is 0.2. So 9.4 is going to be the second one up. Okay, so I like to use rulers to line myself up. 8, 7.7, so there's 8. There's 8. There's 6, there's 8. So 7.7 is going to be in between. Okay. 12.5, 10.6, so there's 12. So 12 now is going to be halfway. Okay, so it's going to be halfway. And then 10.6. So 10.6 is going to be on this line. And then 12.5 is going to be halfway between. So it's going to be there and there. 9 and 7.4. Okay, so come up from 9. And then across from 7.4. So there's 9, second one 7.4. 6 and 8.4. So 6. There's 8, 2, 4. 15 and 4.9. So 15. There's 4. 5 would be there. So halfway between those two is 4.9. And last but not least, 4.5, 8.7. Okay, so 4.5 halfway between there and 8.7. So it's going to be right there. Halfway between 4 and 5, and halfway between 8.6 and 8.8. Okay, so we've got our scatter graph drawn now. So the next question says, one point seems unusual. Circle this point to suggest a possible reason. Okay, so we'll have a look at this one. So it's the one that's 12, so it's this one here. 12.5, 10.6. So a possible reason then we're looking for that would be misread the gauge. Okay, didn't write down the number of miles correctly. Anything along that would do fine there. Okay, part C, describe the type of correlation with other points and explain what this means. So if we look at the points, we can see they're all sloping downwards as we go from left to right. So that's a negative correlation. Okay, so we're going to explain what that means. So it's negative. Okay, so what that means is as the mileage increases, the depth of tread decreases, which is quite common sense. The more you drive on your tyres, the less tread there's going to be on them.